Welcome students. Here we will start our study with English grammar. Now here module number 3. In this module we will learn dictation, then vocabulary, then grammar. In this grammar section we will learn singular and plural nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Then formal writing with paragraph writing, and then creative writing, it's a dialogue writing. Okay, so first we will see word dictation. Here you have to write first word opposition, APPOSITION, opposition. Now second word is nobility, it's NOBILITY, nobility. Then third, down broaden, down trodden, DOWNTRODDEN, downtrodden. Then fourth word conference, CONFERENCE. Then fifth word staunch, STAUNCH, staunch. Sixth word is program, PROGRAMME. Seventh word is precisely, PRECISELY, precisely. Eighth word is speechless, SPEECHLESS, speechless. Then ninth word is extravagantly, 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 extravagantly. Okay, now the next here compound words, it's a grammar section. Okay, now what is compound words? Means two words join with any words, other words. Okay, a compound word is formed when two different words are joined to make a new word. दो वर्ड मिलाए जाते हैं और एक वर्ड बनता है, इट्स अ कंपाउंड वर्ड. ओके, नाउ here close form. Okay, there are three forms of compound words. First is close form. The words are blended or mixed and written as a single word. Okay, now example is lifeless. Look here, here are life and less. These are two different words, but it's a close form, means it's joined, so it's lifeless. Then second example is outdoors. OUT, out, and doors are two different words, but it's joined and it's closed form. Okay, now second form is hyphen form. The words are simply joined by a hyphen or hyphens. Now look here, hyphen means a small sleeping line which join two words. For example is two dimensional. Look here, here is a small line, sleeping line between two and dimensional, it's a hyphen. This small sleeping line, it's called as hyphen, so it's hyphen form. And its second example is cut outs. Look here, cut, then small sleeping line means hyphen, and OUT, outs, it's a hyphen word, it's a hyphen form, it's a compound words. Okay, now third form is open form. What is open form? Now the words are closely associated and convey an idea or meaning. However, they are spelled as separate words. Okay, now look here. Wooden dolls. It's a compound word, but it's separated. Two words, separate words are here, but it compound words. Okay, it's a open form. Now look here. Glow puppets. Glow and puppets are different words, but we read it glow puppets. So it's a open form of compound words. Now look here. It's a exercise number 3.1. Look at the puzzle grid. Pick out the 6 pairs of compound words and write them below. Now here you can use the picture as clues. We can see a pictures. 6 pictures are here, means 6 clues. So first picture here, we can see it's a sea and shore. Look here. We can see here sea word and shore word also. So it's sea shore. Then we can see foot and ball. Look here, foot word and then ball word also. So foot, ball, it's a second compound word. Now we can see third picture. What is it? It's a lighthouse. Where is the light word? It's light and then house. So it's lighthouse. Then beehive. Look here, it's picture of beehive. We can see a word bee and then hive. So beehive. The fifth picture is starfish. Where is the star word? It's star word and then also we will find fish. Okay, star fish. So it's fifth word starfish. And then last is skateboard. Where is skate word? It's skate word. It's skate and then board. Look here. Skate board. The fifth word is skateboard. All are these compound words. What is compound words? And we can see here it's a close form of compound word. Now look, there is activity exercise 3.2. Tick the boxes that have compound words. Choose any 2 compound words and make 2 sentences using those compound words. Now we will see that first picture is of football. So it's a compound word. So you can tick here. Okay. So tick this compound word. Then here is flower, but it's not a compound word. Then third picture of igloo, it's also not a compound word. Then the fourth picture, toothbrush, it's a compound word. Okay, tooth and then brush, it's close form. Then raindrops, it's also compound word. Now sixth picture of paper, but it's not a compound word. Then dustbin, look here, dust and bin, it's a compound word. Table is not. Okay. Then ladybug, ladybug also a compound word. Then 10th picture is crayon, it's not a compound word, so don't tick here. Then fruit, it's also not a compound word. Then we can see here pancakes, pancake also compound word. Okay, now choose any 2 words and make a 2 sentence. Now here, for example, I have a purple toothbrush. Look here, it's an example. You can make your own sentences also. Then second is we should always throw garbage into the dustbin. Okay, so I select here toothbrush and dustbin and I have make 2 sentences. You have to also make 2 sentences. Okay, now next singular and plural forms. Now here one passage which will be read. In this passage, my friends and I got a few candies from our teachers. We ate it during recess. We ate our lunches and washed our dishes and glasses. While going home, we tied scarves around our necks. We visited a few churches. We could hear echoes in a few of these churches. Now you have to underline the words. Which words? Which are plural nouns. Okay. So I had underlined these words. First is friends. Look here. I underline these words also, and I write here plural and singular of all these words. First is friends and its singular is friend. Then candies, its singular is candy. Then teachers, its singular is teacher. Lunches, lunches is plural word and its singular word is lunch. Then dishes, it's a plural form and singular is dish. Glasses, glass. Scarves, scarf. Necks, neck. Churches, church. First I read plurals and then singulars. Okay. Echoes, echo. It's a singular and plural forms. You have to write these in your workbook. Now next is regular plural are formed by adding s. जो प्लूरल फॉर्म्स होते हैं वो एस ऐड करके तैयार किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल CAR कार and its plural is cars. Pen, pens. Many plurals are formed in different ways and not just by adding s. Okay. To the ends of words, we always add s to show plural forms. But much more words are here, so we cannot add s. Now look here. To form the plurals of words end in x, o, s, ch, sh and double s. Okay. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो x, o, s, ch और sh एंड डबल s से एंड होते हैं, ऐसे वर्ड्स के लिए हमें क्या करना है? es ऐड करना है जिससे प्लूरल फॉर्म शो ऑफ होते हैं. लुक हियर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉक्स, इट्स एंड विथ x, सो इट्स foxes. Then hero, it's end with o, so we add es, means heroes. Look here. Hero, heroes. Bus, buses, it's end with s, so buses. Then bunch, it's end with ch, so it's bunches. Wish, wishes. Address, address ends with double s, so add es. Okay. Which word end with x, o, s, ch or sh and ss, so add there es to show plural form. Okay. Now to form the plural words that end in y, जो y से end होते हैं उन्हें क्या करना है? ies ज्वाइन करना है, ऐड करना है. ओके. जो y है वो ies में चेंज होता जाता है. सो एग्जाम्पल फ्लाई, फ्लाई, फ्लाइज. लुक हियर. फ्लाई, फ्लाइज. नाउ y change into ies. Then bunny, bunnies y change into ies, so it's bunnies. Now berry, berries y is change into ies, so it's berries. Okay. To form the plural of words that end in f or fe, we change f or fe to ve. Look here. जो वर्ड्स है f और fe से एंड होने वाले उस जो वो किस में चेंज होते हैं? ve में. ओके. एंड देन ऐड s. ve में ऐड चेंज करने के बाद s ऐड करना है. फॉर अ फ्यू exceptions we add s to form plurals. For such words, example is life. Okay. This fe change with ve and also add s. Look here. Then wolf, wolves. ve then add s. Now self, f is changed into ve and then also add s. Then chief, Okay, then F, add with, change with VE and S, choose. Then roofs, roofs. Some F's not change into VE, and but some are changed into VE. Okay, and then add S. Now here chief and chiefs, but roof, roofs, but self, selves, wolf, wolves. Okay, means some exceptions are here which are not changed into VE and don't add S. Look here. Now it's a more on plurals. सिंगुलर के जो प्लूरल होते हैं वो तो हमने देखे, बट जो ज़्यादा होते हैं वो क्या है देखो. देयर आर अ फ्यू नाउन्स दैट डू नॉट चेंज एट ऑल इन द प्लूरल. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, form the sentence whether one or many are being spoken about. Look here example. There is a sheep in the field. There are two sheep in the meadow. Means no one word or no one letter we add here. Sheep is sheep at all. It's not change at all. Okay. Then in the first sentence, a sheep is spoken about, singular. This means that there is only one sheep. Okay. But the second sentence show that there are two sheeps. Okay. Here more than one sheep is mentioned. So sheep is plural noun in the second sentence. Look here, here is two word, TWO, two. So we can say that it's plural because here is two, more than one. So it's plural word, sheep. In the picture, look here, some fishes. Here are two more examples. Look here, 1, 2, 3 fish. They write 3 fish. They not write fishes. Okay. So only there are 3 fish. We can say that 3 means more than 1. So fish is a plural word here in this sentence. Now look here. Second example. Here deer. Okay. In this sentence they said that 8 deer are grazing here the river. Okay. 8 deer are grazing near the river. Now you know 8 means more than 1. So here deer word is plural because it's 8 deer. Okay. Look here. It's a exercise 4.1. Fill in the blanks with the correct plural forms from the option given in the brackets. One is done for you.